This is the 13th video on the C7 rifle. In this video, you will be shown basic bayonet fighting drills. Bayonet fighting is a quick, instinctive skill, with each situation encountered likely to demand variations in technique. Speed and vigor are more important than technical perfection, and each soldier will have to develop a style to suit their size and build. The threat or use of a bayonet in a close-quarter battle situation can have a considerable effect on the enemy's morale. The first drill demonstrated is the on-guard position, which is adopted when the enemy position is approached in an assault or when about to attack the enemy with the bayonet. To adopt the on-guard position, grip the rifle firmly by the pistol grip and handguard. Point the bayonet at the enemy and adopt a natural fighting attitude. The thrust is used against a standing enemy at a distance of approximately 2 meters. From the on-guard position, bring the rear foot forward or jump with both feet and thrust the rifle forward, sticking the bayonet into the enemy with the whole weight of the body behind the rifle. To withdraw the bayonet, pull the rifle straight back until the bayonet is out. Resume the on-guard position and advance. If the enemy is on the ground, parry the enemy's rifle to the left or right using the boot. If practicable, stand on the weapon. Thrust the rifle forward and down using the whole body weight. Be sure to keep both feet clear of the enemy. To withdraw the bayonet, pull the rifle straight back. It may be necessary to stamp one foot on the enemy near the bayonet. Resume the on-guard position and advance. If a number of enemy are encountered, thrust at the nearest enemy. If the next is out of range, punch forward on guard, advance, and thrust again. If the enemy is so close that you are unable to come on guard, thrust, withdraw, and advance. When assaulting an enemy position with the bayonet, the order may be given to fire during the last few meters when the rifle is held in the on-guard position. The purpose of such firing is to keep the enemy's head down after the supporting fire has ceased or has been switched. There is a tendency to shoot high, so try to keep the muzzle slightly down when firing. Continue firing on the move until gaining the enemy position or until ordered to stop. When the enemy attacks with the bayonet, be aggressive, make an opening, and kill the enemy. If the enemy's bayonet is directed to the right of the rifle, parry the thrust by straightening the left arm vigorously, thus fending off his bayonet. Point your bayonet at the enemy, thrust, withdraw, come on guard, and advance. If the enemy attacks to the left, beat off the thrust to the left, move in. Continue the swing of the rifle and strike the enemy on the head with the butt or pistol grip, knocking him to the ground. Thrust, withdraw, come on guard, and advance. When the enemy attacks with the bayonet, be aggressive in response. If he parries your weapon to the right, release the handguard and use the left hand to either block his next move or strike at his face or throat. If feasible, follow up with a knee to his groin. Regain control of the weapon and continue. If the enemy parries your weapon to the left, strike a disabling blow to his face with the butt of the weapon and continue. Variations in technique will be developed by the individual as they become more familiar with the art of bayonet fighting. But regardless of the technique used, speed and vigor in the attack are the key ingredients to success.